Hello everyone. Well, it's finally happened. The small scale modelling channel has just passed the 1000 subscriber mark. First of all, I want to personally thank each and every one of you for supporting this channel. Thank you so much for all of your likes, views, subscriptions and comments. It's thanks to viewers like you that all of this is possible. Also, special thanks must be given to Matt of Model Minutes. In the past 2 years, Matt has been frequently supporting this channel, thanks to his shoutouts and the fact I was able to collaborate with him back in 2019, which has helped to generate interest in this channel. I know I've thanked him a lot of times, but thank you again, Matt, for being an amazing supporter of Shuttle Factory, alongside each and every one of you, dear viewers. So, to celebrate this milestone, I'm going to let you, dear viewers, choose the very next model kit I will make. You can choose between the hat 1/72nd scale Renault FT-17 with 2 complete kits of the FT-17, or would you like to see a build video on the Revell x Eduard 1/144th scale Junkers Ju-52. However, before you decide on the kits, I should point out that I'm not going to make a World War I era FT-17, or for that matter a World War II era Ju-52. Instead I'll be making an interwar era FT-17 and Ju-52. I will make a Renault FT-17 and convert one of the kits into a T.S.F version in Spanish service during the 1921 to 1926 Rif War. Or would you like to see me make a Bolivian Air Force Junkers Ju-52 during the 1932 to 1935 Gran Chaco War? As you've guessed, I'm tackling topics not often seen in miniature form. Such historical events are often overlooked by the wider world, but for the nations involved, a key chapter in their national histories. So, for the benefit of most viewers who are not familiar with these conflicts, I've included a list of web articles and videos on each topic in the video description. You can vote for your kit of choice in the comment section below, vote in the community poll, or on Instagram. So what will it be? A pair of Spanish Army FT-17s or a Bolivian Ju-52? The voting will close after the posting of my next build video. A build video on the Academy 1/72nd scale F4U Corsair, which will be in the colours of another Royal New Zealand Air Force Corsair, but this time in the colours of a 1946 to 1948 Royal New Zealand Air Force Corsair, used during the post-war occupation of Japan. This year marks the 75th anniversary of the deployment of New Zealand forces to the Allied post-war occupation of Japan. So, making a model in the colours of a J-Force Corsair is a nice way to commemorate this often overlooked event in New Zealand's military history. And yes, expect to see that on the channel in the very near future. And on that note, it's now time to say goodbye. Take care, dear viewers, and good luck with all your ongoing projects. Thank you for watching and supporting Shuttle Factory scale models.